What up, YouTube? Look at my crazy hair. I don't know what's going to happen to it while we're filming, but hi, what up, YouTube? Hey guys, messed up my own intro. How's it going? I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I am getting ready for church, and therefore I'm getting ready to film while I'm getting ready for church as per usual. And today I decided that I would use my ABH Alyssa Edwards palette. Again, I did use that during a live stream recently and did a kind of flamboyant look, so if you haven't seen that, you can look up there in the cards. I'll link it for you. I always try, especially with really colorful or flamboyant palettes, I try to do an everyday look as well, because I think we all get super excited about the color, and most of us on a daily basis don't do super colorful cut creases or anything like that. We do that for special occasions or just for the sake of creative expression, but I also want these palettes to be usable on a daily basis, and so like I did with the Jeffree Star Blue Blood, I did an everyday look with that, and I'll link that up there for you too if you haven't seen it. But I think it's a good plan to have several looks that you can get out of a palette. Otherwise, I think they get tucked away and we don't reach for them anymore, because obviously there's a reason for that, because it's extremely colorful. It's not something that's work appropriate usually and those kind of things, and then those palettes don't get any use. So I try to find other uses for them as well. So today, whenever I get to my eyes, I am going to do an everyday look using the Alyssa Edwards palette. Who knows what my hair is going to look like in the process. It'll make me crazy. I'll end up having to put it back, but right now it's still a little bit wet and I kind of want it to still air dry a little bit more, so I'm going to try to tolerate it in the process of getting my face on. I probably will just kind of zoom through, or maybe just come on with my face makeup already done. Thank goodness I've been treating my face, and some of this crazy business that's been happening is starting to chill out a little bit. But I'll probably come back on and show you how I do the eye look, but the rest of it I'm probably going to do off camera, save you some time. I've had lots of really long videos lately, so maybe I'll give you a short and sweet. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Let's get into the video. Anyway, just to take care of some business, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and if you end up enjoying this video, then please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. Please and thank you. Want to come say hi to the people on the camera? Want to come say hi and show people that you're doing good? This is my Boo Bear, and I am doing so good, and I am such a lovey-dovey boy, and I'm so happy to be home. And we haven't reintroduced a brother yet, but he is just the loveliest thing. He's always been the loveliest thing, but he is super lovey now. But his paws are doing great. There seems to be no effects whatsoever from the neuter, but he's just my cuddle bunny, and I love him so much, and I'm so happy that he's home. He was gone for 3 days, and yes, he has to have kisses. If you guys wonder why I am pulling hair off my lip balm every video that you see, this is why. He puts his head back and he expects kisses. So if I would sit here and hold him the entire time, he would be more than fine with that. But I think what I'm gonna do is go put him on his little bed that's in my bathroom and see if I can get him settled so that maybe I can finish getting ready. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the Boo Bear. Yeah, he's my sweet boy, but I missed him so bad. Oh my gosh, he was gone for 3 days and I missed him so bad. Mwah. Anyway, there's a Boo Bear update. Daisy, my paws are okay. All right, back to business. I make fun of people who baby talk their animals because I do it hardcore. Obviously, you probably saw and heard, but you know what? Sorry about it, but not really. Oh, here's something else that I wanted to tell you, and that is a lot of my stuff is going to be pre-filmed. A lot of it. So if I should happen to talk about something that doesn't seem time appropriate, that's why. Alright folks, so this is what I came up with for the eyeshadow. Let's just say it's not as everyday as I was shooting for, and I can probably try again. But this color Unicorn Tribe, in my mind, it was like so much more mauvey, and not so pink. Because this pink is like out of this world pink, as you guys saw in my other look. Maybe I'll pop a picture up here if I remember. I always say I'm going to do something, then I forget. But I like the way it looks, and I think it's pretty, and obviously I think it's a lot more toned down compared to the last one that I did. I think adding the gold to the lid kind of chilled out the pink or the mauve or cranberry or whatever color that is. But I'm going to go ahead and put on liner, mascara, and lashes, and then I'll come back to join you to do a lip. Yeah. Alright folks, I got this Trace Lippy in my Boxy Luxe, I believe, and so I just want a really pretty bright lip today. So I'm going to go in with this. It does have a lip balm. I think I'm going to put on a lip liner, then the lip balm, then the matte crayon. That way I think it'll sheer it out a little bit, it won't be so dry, and it won't bleed. So let me find a lip liner. I think Red Brick Road by Gerard will be good. I do have an Illamasqua one that will work too. I'm going to use this Illamasqua one that I got in the shade Lust. Check this out. I love that. Okay, one more final look at the eyes. I think the lippy looks really pretty, and let me just tell you how this turned out to be a not so everyday look. But I think my hair looks pretty good today for a change. But I'm gonna go get dressed, and then I'll be back and we'll get out of here. Whew. Okay, I'm actually ready on time today, but I did forget to set my face. I'm going to use this all-nighter by Urban Decay to set, keep this all in place. I'm about to be a pro. Oh, just overlook me. Just overlook me. Boom. All right, folks, so like I said, this ended up not being an everyday look, but it's a step down from as avant-garde and outside of the box the other one was. I really like it. I think it's pretty. I think the lippy is perfect, and I didn't tell you guys the shade. It is Belize Bordeaux, and a lot of you got this. The only thing that kind of bugs me is it's kind of big, and whenever I wear something that I feel like I need to maintain a little bit, I like to put it in my pocket, and this is a little bit hefty, a little bit long to go in my pocket, but I'm gonna try. I am so excited about the pants that I have on that I'm going to attempt to lift my leg up and show you because they are so flippin' cute. I have been looking for camos, distressed camos with pink in them for like 10 years. And I got some new Vans. Let me see if I can lift my leg up. See? There's my Vans. And there's my cool pants. Okay. Alright. Calm down, Sherri. Anyways, I'm out of here, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I hope you liked the look that I came up with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. But anyways, just to take care of... Oh, I would need a beauty blender. Oh, yes, I would. I would use that. I would need a beauty blender. Where's my beauty blender? Oh, beauty blender. You evade me. Why must you evade me, beauty blender? But I'm going to go get dressed and I'll come back and